Please click our subscribe button and our notification bell to receive notifications of our latest uploads. Thank you. Hi kids! Welcome to our mathematics class. Our topic for today is multiplying decimals. I am your teacher, Teacher Zaida. Okay, to start our discussion, let's solve the problem. Let's read. Alexi is a very thrifty girl. Every day, she saves 7 pesos and 50 centavos from her allowance. How much will she be able to save in 5 days? Again, Alexi is a very thrifty girl. Every day, she saves 7 pesos and 50 centavos from her allowance. How much will she be able to save in 5 days? Okay, to solve, let's use agonsa. Okay, so A for asked. We are asked the total amount of money Alexi will be able to save in 5 days. Okay, and then for given, we have 7 pesos and 50 centavos savings per day and 5 days. Okay, and for O, our operation to be used, it will be multiplication. Okay, and then again, to be able to get the number sentence, you have to look at the given and your operation to be used. Did you get that? Okay. Okay, for N, number sentence, our number sentence is 7 pesos and 50 centavos times 5 is equal to N. Okay, for S, solution, we now multiply 7 pesos and 50 centavos and 5. We start multiplying from right to left of our multiplicand. Okay, so 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 5 is 25. Carry 2, very good. 5 times 7 is 35, plus 2 is, okay, good job, that's 37. And then we put our peso sign. Now, where do we put our decimal point? We just have to count the number of decimal places in our factors. Okay, so our multiplicand has 2 decimal places. Our multiplier has no decimal place. Therefore, the total number of decimal places our product must have is 2. So where do we put our decimal point? We put our decimal point here. Did you get that? Okay. So for A, our final answer is 37 pesos and 50 centavos. The total amount of money Alexi will be able to save in 5 days. Did you get that? Okay, very good. Okay, let's have another example. Let's multiply 12 and 3/10 and 3 and 5/10. Okay, so let's write our factors this way. And then we multiply from right to left. Okay, we start multiplying 5 to our multiplicand. So 5 times 3 is, okay, that's 15. Carry, okay, carry 1. 5 times 2 is 10. Plus 1 is, okay, very good, that's 11. Carry 1. And then 5 times 1 is 5. Plus 1 is, okay, that's 6. Okay, and then we now multiply 3 from right to left of our multiplicand. Okay, so 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 2 is, okay, that's 6. And 3 times 1 is, okay, very good. 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, now these two are called partial products. To get the final product, we have to add our partial products. Okay, so we bring down 5. We add 1 and 9, and that's, okay, that's 10. Carry 1. Okay, and then 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 6 is 13. And then carry 1 again. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, and then we count the number of decimal places in our factors. Okay, so our multiplicand has 1 decimal place. Our multiplier has one decimal place also, and the total number of decimal places we have two. Okay, so meaning our product must have two decimal places. So we put our decimal point here. Did you get that? Okay, so our answer is 43 and 5 hundredths. Okay, let's try this. Let's multiply 2 and 28 hundredths and 6 and 4 tenths. Okay, so again, we start multiplying from right to left. So let's multiply 4 and 8. 4 times 8 is 32, carry 3. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11. Very good. Carry. Okay, yes, carry 1. 4 times 2 is, okay, 8 plus 1 is, okay, that's 9. And then we multiply 6 to 8. 6 times 8 is 48. Carry 4. Okay, and then 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 4 is, okay, good job. That's 16. Carry 1. 6 times 2 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Okay, and then to get our product, we again add our partial. So bring down 2. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 6 is 15. Very good. Carry 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. And then we bring down 1. Okay. Next step is to count the number of decimal places. Okay. So our multiplicand has two decimal places. Very good. Our multiplier has one decimal place, and the total number of decimal places in our factors are, okay, very good. So there are three decimal places, meaning our product must have three decimal places. Okay, so we put our decimal point here. Okay, so our answer is 14 and 592 thousandths. Did you get that? Okay, good job. Okay, let's try this one. Let's multiply 45 and 81 hundredths times 7. Okay, so we start multiplying our multiplicand from right to left. 7 times 1 is, okay, very good. That's 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Very good. So carry 5. 7 times 5 is 35. Plus 5 is, okay, very good. That's 40. So carry 4. And then 7 times 4 is, okay, 28. Plus 4 is, okay, very good. That's 32. Okay, and then we count the number of decimal places. Our multiplicand has two decimal places. Our multiplier has no decimal place. So total number of decimal places in our factors are, okay, very good. There are two, meaning our product must also have two decimal places. Okay, so we put our decimal point here. Did you get that? Okay, our answer is 320 and 67 hundredths. Good job. This ends our lesson for today. Thank you for listening. Until next time, goodbye.